Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. As always, all the pages that I share are linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. I was a little hesitant on sharing this job lead, but it is non-phone. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone, so I thought I would share. Please make sure you do your own research on the company. Today's company is Rarible. They only have 9 reviews on Glassdoor. The reviews they do have are very good. They have a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. However, this company does deal in the crypto and NFT space, which always makes me a little conscious and cautious. But nonetheless, they are hiring a customer success specialist. This is remote, full-time within the United States. Now, they are looking for a customer support specialist to be responsible for ensuring their customer satisfaction and managing the day-to-day customer requests that comes in through their ticketing system, which is Zendesk, and their social media channels, so Discord, Twitter, all of that. You'll be the main point of contact for customers and own the customer problems until they are resolved, also helping escalate any technical problems up to the product team when necessary. So this is completely non-phone tickets and social media support. It says you'll manage legal notices of copyright infringement and reporting of fraudulent activity on the Rarible platform. You'll report weekly and monthly activity through analytics and insight reports, and you'll follow monthly and quarterly objectives based on the data to improve the customer satisfaction. Now, Rarible is in the NFT space, so their web platform is their website that sells NFTs. As far as what they are looking for, if you are interested in this position, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They say previous experience in customer service isn't even a requirement. They need somebody who has outstanding written and verbal communication skills in the English language, somebody who has some kind of knowledge of the NFT market. Someone who has a Zendesk experience is a plus. Now, one thing to note about this position, they did not list a pay, and I could not find any estimates on Glassdoor either, so that will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please let me know down below if you don't mind job leads from crypto or companies like that in those riskier financial spaces, or if you just don't have any interest in things like that at all. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.